Loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share a quick hairstyle with you. It's very simple and easy for anyone to do. If you are very in rush, this is the hairstyle for you. And I was in rush because I don't really have time to style my hair. So as you guys can see, I unraveled my hair out of camera. I'm just spraying a little bit of water. Then afterward I will add a little bit cream to it. I didn't really need that much because a little goes a long way. The cream I used is the Cantu coconut cream. That is all I did. Then afterward, you will see me packing my hair. It's a low bun. Okay, it's a low bun. This is not updo. I don't do updo. I don't do high manipulation hairstyles. If you've been following me for a while, you guys know I always do low manipulation hairstyle. But due to an urgent reason, I have to do this like very low bond hairstyle because I needed it. I don't have time, and you guys can also see the that is the line, the head I took to the front of my hair, the one that's coming in the front. I didn't like part it very neat. I don't do neat hairstyle either because my scalp is very tender, very tender. If you are someone like me, you know what I'm talking about. No tension, no tight hairstyle, no neat hairstyle. So I started this on like a year ago, like no neat hairstyle, and for the past 2 years and a half now, I've been doing like low manipulation hairstyle, and these have really like helped me like to grow my hair. As you guys can see, I just pack it very easily. I didn't like tight it, no thing, no tension, as I said before. So all I did after is just like I tucked on my hair inside. I will leave the picture so you guys will see how the real hairstyle turns out. So I didn't leave my hair out like that. I tucked everything in. I believe you find this helpful, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.